Hey friends, Raven here, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing another unboxing. But today, we're going to be unboxing some filament, 2 boxes of filament actually, from one of my favorite 3D filament suppliers, which is Duramic 3D. I use their filament all the time for so many different prints. A lot of my headset accessories are made with Duramic 3D filament. But I reached out to them and they agreed to send me 2 different types of filament from them that I have not tried yet. So I haven't seen them in person, so I thought it'd be perfect to unbox it together and check it out with you guys. Let's check it out. Alright, here's the first box of filament that we're going to be opening today from Duramic 3D. So let's check out which one this is. So this one is the PLA Filament Glow, and it's PLA Plus. So it's a little bit of a stronger material than just strictly PLA. I've used a couple different types of PLA Plus, but I haven't tried their glow stuff yet, which I'm really excited about. I've only ever had experience with one other glow-in-the-dark filament, and to be honest with you, it gave me a bit of a hard time. It wasn't the easiest material to work with, so I'm hopeful that this one's going to be a lot better than the other brand that I tried, but let's check it out, see what it looks like. So here's a little card that comes with the filament that just gives you tips on how to store it properly, because there's nothing worse than getting a new filament that you're excited to try. You put it away and then you go to use it and it's wet and the whole roll is ruined. So we don't want that, do we? Anyways, onto the filament. Ooh. I am so excited to try this. Also, I love that Duramic 3D comes in cardboard spools. I'm always looking for ways to be a little bit more eco-friendly, so whenever I see that they have different colors of filament in with the cardboard spool, I always gravitate towards those. So this is definitely a bonus. And I'll give you guys a little bit of a closer look at the filament. I'll just open it up and we'll take a look. Alright, I don't know about you, but I'm really excited to open up the next box and see what's inside. So inside of this one is the bronze silk PLA filament. Again, have not tried this color of filament yet, so I'm really excited to see it. I will be posting some more clips of more of a review. Today is just going to be unboxing, but I have a few different prints planned with the different shades, and I'll give you guys a more of an in-depth look of how it prints and do a proper review on it. But for now, let's just look at it in all its beautiful glory. Okay. So this one does not have a cardboard spool, but it is gorgeous. Wow. Okay, I'm going to tear this package open and give you guys a closer look, because I feel like you need to see it close up to appreciate its beauty. I hope you enjoyed this little sneak peek at a couple different filament colors from Duramic 3D. Like I said before at the beginning of the video, I use Duramic 3D filament all the time, but I haven't used these 2 shades specifically, so I'm really looking forward to seeing how they print out, because that is the true test of filament, isn't it? Not just how it looks in the package. So keep an eye out for more videos from me where I do a more in-depth review after I've test printed some different things with both different colors. I just wanted to say a big thank you to Duramic 3D for sending me these rolls of filament. I really appreciate it. And that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.